So for our sport, we're doing horseback riding, which is a combination of a lot of muscle, strength, and movements. And so you need to have the proper muscles for horseback riding, which is mainly in your legs and your core and your shoulders. So to work on having your heels down, which is a major part of horseback riding, you can go up on a step and lower yourself and go up on your toes. You want to focus on tightening your calf muscles and keeping your heels down as far as you can. And then you go up and down. Another exercise that you can do is a plank to work on your core strength and your arm strength. So you lay flat on the ground and you lift yourself up and tighten your core muscles and hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. So you can do our squats, which work on your thigh muscles and your rear muscles. And so you want to have your feet shoulder width apart, and then you go down and up, and down and up. Just like this. And you don't want your knees to go ahead of your feet. You want to keep them even with each other. For our next exercise, we'll be doing a pelvic lift, which strengthens your core muscles. So you want to lay down on the ground with your feet shoulder width apart, and you put your arms down, and you slowly lift your pelvis up, hold it, and down. And you want to do the same thing. Make sure you're tightening your core muscles up and down. Another exercise that you can do is a plank to work on your core strength and your arm strength. So you lay flat on the ground and you lift yourself up and tighten your core muscles and hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. Our next exercise are leg lifts. And so you want to lay flat on your back and put your legs down and put your hands underneath you. And you want to lift each leg up and down and up and down. And you want to make sure you do the other side too. So you go up and down and keep your muscles tight, up and down.
Another exercise to do is put your leg up on a chair and stretch out your hamstring by leaning forward so you don't get sore. For the next stretch, you're going to put your leg out to the right, you're going to lean to the far right and put your arm above your head to reach so you stretch all the way from your leg up to this stretch. You're going to sit on the floor with your feet together and you're going to flap your legs up and down so that you can stretch. For this exercise, you're going to lunge forward and lean against the wall so you're stretching out the back. Another good exercise is wall sits so that you can strengthen your legs while riding the horse.
For the next exercise, you bring your leg up behind you and you hold it with your opposite hand, and this stretches out your leg. For the next exercise, you're just going to grab one of your feet and go down as far as you can. And this helps stretch your leg muscles. For your next exercise, you're going to bring your leg over and bring it as close to your body as you can and just hold it, and this stretches out your leg. For the next exercise, you're just going to touch your toes to stretch out your legs. For the next exercise, you're just going to get a chair and put your leg on the back of it and bring yourself down and hold the back of the chair, and this helps stretch out the back of your leg.